Once your GitHub account is created, navigate to My Repo and click the Fork button at the top of the page. After the repo is forked to your account, you are ready to begin working with the files on your computer. Before you bring the files down to your device, confirm that your repo is even or one commit ahead of the master repo. If it is commits behind, bring those changes into your repo before continuing. Click the green Code button and select Open in GitHub Desktop. If you do not have the program installed, you will be redirected to a download page. GitHub Desktop shows you the URL of the repo you are working with. It also provides a local path to the files. You can change that path if desired to your Eclipse workspace. Make a note of the URL. I copy and paste it so I can navigate right to it in Eclipse. When you are happy with where the files will be placed, click Clone. Next, you will be asked if you plan to contribute back to the master repo or just work strictly on your fork. We will be contributing into the course repo. Open Eclipse. Create a new Java project in Eclipse. Uncheck Use Default Location and navigate to the local files from your repo. Select the root folder for the project and not the source folder. Now the files are imported in and you can work with adding your changes. When finished with the project and you have confirmed that your changes work, navigate back to GitHub Desktop. The file changes have been collecting in the list. Select the files you wish to submit to the master. Add in a summary title for the changes as well as a brief description below. Commit the changes to your main. Next, push the commit to the origin. Return to your repo in your browser. You'll notice that your changes have been added to your repo. You are ready to request that your changes are brought into the master repo. Click the Pull Request button. A summary of your changes and additions are brought together. Click Create Pull Request. The summary and description you provided earlier should automatically fill in. Clarify if needed. Click the Pull Request button. This opens the pull request into the master repo. At this time, your work is complete. Do not click Close Pull Request. This closes the pull request before the files and changes have the opportunity to be added into the master repo. You can confirm that you have an open pull request by going to the master repo URL and view it under Open Pull Request. However, you must wait for the owner to accept the pull request in order to add your changes into the repo.